Hello, my name is Victor, and today I will show you how to add mandatory multi-step terms of use to MemberPress purchase form. So first of all, we need to install Contact Form 7. We go to Plugins section, click on Add New button, look for Contact Form 7, click on Install button, and then activate it. Now, after you purchase a multi-step add-on, you need to install it too. Click on Add New button, Upload plugin, when we choose it, click on Install Now. And activate the plugin. After that, we need to go to Contact Form. Add new form. You can name it. I will name it Test Form. And as you see, we have different steps of your form. So you can create any number of steps you need. We can name them. So first step, second step, and for example, final step. Now we can enter the text we need to have here. For example, test text. And final test text. And the final step, we need to add the buttons that will show the purchase button on your MemberPress purchase form. So we are creating a button. ID last. We need to keep the ID because it is connected to the script that we will add in future steps. So we need to write it same as I did. And now we need the button. And now we need to save the form. Now we need to copy this shortcode. We will need it later. Now let's see the forms that we will use on MemberPress. Go to your membership and click View. So here's the form we have. First of all, we need to hide the sign up button so the user can't buy the product before he accepts the terms of service. To do it, we need to add the CSS code. Go to Customize, Additional CSS, and use the code that I shared in the article. The button is not disappear because we haven't changed the template file. So the next step, we need to create a JS script that will hide and show the button. You need to go to your server. If you haven't created a child theme, you need to do it because if you won't, all changes will be overridden after your theme will be updated. And create a sets folder, JS folder, and here you need to create custom JS code file and put this code that I have shared with you on the article here and save it. After that, we need to add the script. So you need to get the code you have on the article and add it on your functions PHP of your child theme. Add it and save it. The next step is changing the MemberPress form template. To do it, you need to create on your child theme the MemberPress folder. You need to create a checkout folder in MemberPress folder and create a form PHP file here. What do you need to change here? You need to add a disable class to the form submit div. And the second change, you need to get your shortcode that was created when you create your form multi-step form and add it here. Good. And now we can check our form. So we have the form and here we can see the terms of service. User need to click next, next, and finish button to have a sign up button. Now he can make a purchase. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.